In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PowerPoint to YouTube. By the end, you'll have a polished video version of your slides live on your channel without needing any extra software. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to share. Give your slides a quick check for readability. Large text, clear visuals, and minimal clutter work best on YouTube. If you plan to present in a widescreen format, using a 16:9 slide size helps your video fill the frame without black bars. You can't upload a .pptx file directly to YouTube, so we'll convert it to a video from inside PowerPoint. Go to File, then Export, and choose Create a Video. For quality, Full HD 1080p is a great balance of sharpness and file size for most channels. Next, decide how your slides advance. If you've already recorded narration or rehearsed timings, choose Use Recorded Timings and Narration so PowerPoint follows those automatically. If not, set the seconds spent on each slide. A common starting point is 5 to 7 seconds per slide. Longer if there's more text. When you're ready, click Create Video and be sure to save it as an MP4. Pick a folder you'll remember and give the file a clear name. PowerPoint will now render your video. This can take a few minutes depending on how many slides, animations, and media clips you have. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom. Let it finish and avoid closing PowerPoint while it works. Next, open YouTube in your browser and sign into your account. Click the Create button, then Upload Video, and select the MP4 you just exported. YouTube will begin uploading and processing. While that runs, fill in your video details. Add a clear, searchable title and a helpful description that summarizes what viewers will learn. Choose or upload a thumbnail. This can greatly improve clicks, and set your audience preferences as required. When you're done, choose your visibility, public to make it available to everyone, unlisted to share via link only, or private to keep it for yourself or select people. Click Publish, and your PowerPoint is now a YouTube video. If you want voice narration baked in, record it before exporting by going to Slideshow and selecting Record Slideshow. Speak through your presentation, save the timings, and then export as a video using the same steps. For best results, add simple transitions and animations before exporting. Keep slides clean and readable, and consider subtle background music or a voiceover to maintain engagement, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.